Cornell Cooperative Extension Allegany County presents Indoor Herb Gardening, the mini-series. Episode 3. How to start herbs from cuttings, bulbs, and rhizomes. Let's start with cuttings. So herbs that you can propagate by cuttings, the most common ones are basil, mint, oregano, thyme, rosemary, sage, and lemon balm. First, select healthy stems and cut below a node. Remove lower leaves and place cuttings in water or moist soil. Change the water every few days if rooting in water, and once they have a couple good roots and you notice good rooting, transplant the cuttings to pots. Now, with bulbs, some herbs that you can propagate by bulbs or bulb-like structures are chives, garlic, shallots, fennel, the bulbing varieties, and onions, even when they are not considered specifically herbs, but you can use them as herbs indoors and keep growing them indoors and use the green part of the plant or just growing your own onions at home. If you're using onions or bulbs like garlic or shallots, place the buds facing upward and keep moist. For rhizomes, some herbs that you can propagate by rhizomes are mint, it can be peppermint or spearmint, ginger, turmeric, or lemongrass. So how to do it? First, select healthy, firm rhizomes with visible buds or eyes. Ginger or turmeric rhizomes can be planted in shallow soil, so it is good for small pots if you have just a couple pots that they are not too big. And lastly, place buds facing upward about 1 to 2 inches deep and keep the soil moist. Simple. Keep learning about herbs. Watch our next episode, Lightning for Indoor Herbs.